Hello and welcome back to my RC channel. I'm AndyRC and today I'm going to be giving away one of my favourite freestyle models of this time, which of course is the iFlight Nazgul5. Now, the winner isn't going to get given this one because first of all it's mine and second of all it's a little bit beat up. And also I like the 6S version, but it also comes in a 4S version. So the winner is going to be able to pick between the 4S or the 6S. Go for the 6S. So this giveaway is in conjunction with Banggood's 13th anniversary sale, and all you have to do to enter is be subscribed to the channel, like this video, comment in the below, but also you need to click the links in the description of this video, one of which is a Google document and it's got all of the 13th anniversary coupon codes, and there are some really good deals in there. So if you come back on the 14th, I'll be announcing the winner, and good luck to everyone.
Cause I'm so confused, abused, overused in these walking shoes. I never turn back cause I know this score. Never recuse what I do before, but it's too late. My fate, I regurgitate, what did I say? Listen up, don't miss the fall, but just pick it up now off the
floor. Man, guess who? Yeah, you're the one that I'm talking to. You're never gonna guess what's coming next. Think about inside of the manifesto, but inside
this rhyme,
you will find
my mind. Just sip my crazy living,
just sipping my trip jars, sip on my trip jars, oh my trip man. Sip on my trip jars, oh my trip man. Sip on my trip jars,
oh my trip man. Sip on my trip jars, sip on my trip man.
Sip on my trip jars, oh my trip man. Sip on my trip jars, trip jars.
Make my life bright and you show me the light. I fly like a kite on a starry night.
Starry night.
Make my life bright and you show me the light.
Yeah.
We fly like a kite on a starry night.
So let's
go fly a kite up to the highest height. Let's go fly a kite
and send it soaring
up through the atmosphere, up where the air is clear. Oh, let's go fly a kite.
when I'm with you. Fly like a kite when I'm with you.
when I'm with you. Fly like a kite
When I'm
with you. I'm with you. Yo, what your mama I see flow out of me easily, so easily that my mind is free to blaze your mind with my fantasy. Cause when I get on this mic, I'm flowing so awfully tight that my rhymes are like that clover target that's ready to strike. Now when I get on the street, creating a brand new beat, feel free to come up and meet me. Don't be shy, you could never distract me. When negative vibes attack me, get into my mind and hack me. Well, like nothing's happening. There ain't no to stop me.
Just sip on my trip jars, oh my trip man. Sip on my trip jars, just sip on this trip man. Sip on my trip jars, oh my trip man. Sip on my trip jars, just sip on this trip man. Oh my trip, sip on my trip, sip on my trip, just sip on this trip man. Sip on my trip jars, oh my trip,
and send it
soaring up through the atmosphere, up where the air is clear. Oh, let's go fly a kite.
I'm with you.
Yo!
Fly like
Words in my mind I see flow out of me easily, so easily that my mind is free to blaze your mind with my fantasy. Cause when I get on this mic, I'm flowing so awfully tight that my rhymes are like that clover target that's ready to strike. Now when I get on the street, creating a brand new beat, feel free to come up and meet me. Don't be shy, you could never distract me. When negative vibes attack me, get into my mind and hack me. Well, I act like nothing's happening. There ain't no
to stop me, just step on my trip, just on my trip now. Step on my trip, just